Rodney, it matters right now where we actually cut this. All right, just so the viewers at home can see. Check that out. All right. See, that's the whole reason of that multi-tone action there, the dirty pour. See how those hit and complemented each other like edge work. So the important question is, do you remember that copper one we did? We purposely cut that to where when this rolls over and the wood starts to roll over, it turns in to the resin. Then it picks back up with the wood and finishes that curve. Is that what you're going for?
Fine with me.
Okay, you want to see that beautiful blue all the way around.
Yes.
And you want to see that wood dive into it, pick up with the resin, and then the curve just comes on with the wood again.
That's exactly it.
That's what we're going to do. See, it matters. That's why on the front side, wood placement in that pan is so crucial. Don't sit here and just try to stuff that to the edge, because you have no edges to work with to cut away to make all this straight. And you really don't want to sit here and try to sand all this out. So it's so much easier to make it bigger than what you need. Trim the fat, and then we'll start polishing it all up, coving the edges. Okay, so we're going to get right into it. Stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. All right, so we're going to get dusted up, no doubt. Finishing this up. Here we go. You didn't think we was gonna stay clean, did you, Rodney?
No.
Now look, for everybody at home, you don't have to look like this, all right? We keep a blower around for this exact reason. So we can get, there we go. We keep that around for a reason so we can get all dusted off. That's it though. Thank you, sir. So normally we have that going actually while we're routing so that we don't sit here and look like this, but we just wanted to show you how messy this stuff really is. So that's it, Rodney. We have got this coved. We've rolled these edges right over. Let me show you what we got here. So far this is where we're at. Look at that pretty guy. So that's how we made those edges hit there. So we get all this tidied up, cleaned up, and we're getting ready to sand all this, and all this uneven stuff here is going to go right out. It's going to be just as smooth as a baby's bottom. But boy, just take a feel of that. Now feel how less that is from earlier, the weight.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so we trimmed off a lot of that fat, and it really shrunk the weight of what we were feeling right out of the mold. Plus, you know, we planed down quite a bit. Now, legitly, this is 1.5 inches right on the dime. So you can get these edges to flow over every which way. You can get the wood to flow completely over. So the more wood you want to see on the edge, the closer to the edge you need to be. The less wood you want to see on the edge and wrap some of that resin in it like a present, the further away you need. And that's just you know, you can play with that. It's a personal preference, you know. So we're gonna get all this cleaned up. We're gonna bring you right back so we can walk this down in the grit, and everybody's favorite part, buffing in that oil and finishing her on out. So just wanted to point out, just talking here with Rodney, we're in the sanding process. We're gonna show you the first one, and we'll bring you back for the last one like we always do. But make sure, have a glove on. Now is very important. sanding, polishing this guy all the way down. We don't want to leave behind any residue, any oils from our fingers, anything like that. So we're going to start out just like I showed you. We're going to start combing these edges, and we're going to get this worked all the way around. Anything like that that you can pick up right now, don't worry about that. We got several more grits to go. It's almost gone. I'm a professional comb guy, even though I don't have no hair. Brother, where'd your design go? I'm just teasing with you, Ron.
I've seen the other videos.
I had to do that, man. Everybody flips out at that part.
I've
They're
seen
like,
the videos. I know what's going on.
what did you do? Yeah, so we got that haze, that cloudiness that comes right over. But why I stopped you right here, and Tom, we can go for a break here in just a minute, right after I tell everybody this. But check this out. I stopped here on purpose because I want you to see the difference. See how all that looks the same except for that line?
Mm-hmm.
Those two lines, that little bit. So even though this is all plain flat, when we take this sander over there, it shows what is slightly not up to par. Just like these sides right here. See those right there?
Mm-hmm.
Those are just little misses where we need to go just a smidge deeper to catch it up. But don't spend time on the first pass trying to fine-tune that with such an aggressive pad. That's later on. See, they're baby small right now. The more we keep just making normal passes over it, they'll disappear.
Right.
You don't want to be too aggressive in that first go around. You know, you're just trying to get them halfway there. So that is it. We're going to get this all the way down to the last one, bring you back for that, and then it's everybody's favorite time.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Rodney, we have a beautiful, beautiful dull piece of walnut that is just absolutely going to blow your mind when this oil hits and comes to life. So, without any further ado, we're going to get this clean here. Microfiber towel, we're going to get all this dust off. We are going to clean this guy up, and we're going to get to everybody's favorite part. We're going to make this guy come back to life. Just as beautiful as you've ever seen.